We are in spot 15, Tombigbee State Park, just outside of Tupelo, Mississippi. We're only here for one night. We're on our way back to Florida from Utah and Colorado, and this is just a quick pit stop before we head into Georgia, and we stay at Colomoki for a couple nights, and then into Florida to Paynes Prairie for a couple nights. Anyway, we're on a paved pad, a little bit of root intrusion on the pad, but nothing that prevented us from getting level. Nice level spot. There is a dump here, but it's way back here, so you can see it's a good I don't know, 25-30 feet. So I don't know if I'll use it. We got our own water, 20, 30, 50 power, and we stay here every time we come back east from the west, and we're going through Mississippi. We stay here for a night. It's just a comfortable stopping point. And they do have some nice trails. In fact, the last 3 or 4 times we've been here, we've walked all through these trails. But I think today we're both pretty tired, and I think we're just we're doing laundry. They have laundry facilities here, and I think we just sort of take it easy. We may walk down by the lake, but that's about it. Time to put the clothes in the dryer. I got 3 minutes left. Clean clothes once again. Looks like the storms are moving in. Yoo-hoo. Oh.
Thank you, babe.
Here you go. You're welcome. What you doing over there? What you doing over there? Got the hamburger on the bread with the beans. Jalapeno beans. Spot 15 at Tombigbee State Park in Tupelo, Mississippi. Just stayed here one night. We did absolutely nothing last night. We did laundry, short walk. We were tired, and then it started raining, so we just sort of took it easy. But we come here all the time on the way back as a one-night stop. Got a nice paved pad, somewhat level enough to where I could get it level. Got water, got 20, 30, and 50 amp power. Sewage, which I'm not going to use because it's located all the way back here. This is too far back. Anyway, we're en route to Georgia. Going to spend a couple of nights at Colomoki State Park down in Blakely, Georgia, and then Paynes Prairie in Florida, and then home.
No, I guess it's not.
Looked like it though, didn't it?
No.
Where are we going?
Turn left on State Park Road.
Colomoki.
Oh, that's right. Oh.
Colomoki for 2 nights, and Paynes Prairie for 2 nights, then home. I'm ready to go. Pretty restful, right? Alright, we are leaving Tombigbee. See you in September. See you in 3 months. Actually, it'll probably be October.